Cotton. Imported. Product dimensions, inches, 6 by 0.75 x 22, weight, 0.37 pounds. Features include checkered scrubber design for easier cleaning, swivel clip for easy attachment and removal from golf bags, embroidered logo for your favorite teams. Towel is 100% cotton, 16 by 22 tri-fold embroidered towel. Show you team pride with this brightly designed towel. Great gift for the holidays, Father's Day, and special events. 16 by 22 tri-fold embroidered towel. 100% cotton. Checkered scrubber design. Swivel clip for easy attachment and removal from golf bag. Embroidered logo. Top reviews from the United States. Great gift for the Tide fan in your life. Great gift for the golfer in your family. The connecting loop is plastic and swivels nicely so that you can make sure the A is prominently displayed. I have washed it twice now, and the same quality is still there. I have seen bits of fabric coming off on the clubs, so I wonder about durability, but I usually go through a golf towel every year with how often I golf, so I think this one will make it through a year in time for me to get the next one. I get lots of looks and comments on the course being in Texas. They still haven't forgotten 2009. I love it though. Bring on the hate. All I have to say is roll Tide roll.